Welcome back to 2 Minute Study Abroad, brought to you by Student Connect. In today's episode, we'll guide you through the process of applying to UK universities and provide some essential tips for success. The first step to studying in the UK is through submitting your application through UCAS, your Universities and Colleges Admission Service. UCAS is the main portal for applying to all undergraduate courses in the UK. It makes the process simple by allowing you to apply to multiple universities with the one form. Some universities also allow students to apply directly through their own portals, especially for specific courses or postgraduate programs. While UCAS is the most common route, be sure to check the university's admission page for direct application options. Now let's talk about personal statement, one of the most important parts of the application. This is your opportunity to show universities why you're passionate about the course and why you're a strong candidate. Start by explaining why you're interested in the subject and highlight any relevant experiences, whether academic, professional, or hobbies. While applying, it's easy to make mistakes. One common mistake is missing deadlines. Make sure you keep track of the key dates for UCAS, as they can vary by course. Another mistake is submitting a generic personal statement. Universities want to know what makes you unique. Don't just copy-paste generic statements. And finally, always proofread your application. A typo could cost you a place. Make sure you're aware of the important UCAS deadlines. The main application deadline is usually in January for most courses, but some courses like medicine or veterinary may have earlier deadlines. For late applications, you have until June, but bear that in mind, that you might not get the same chances as early applicants. Ready to start your application? Visit Student Connect for expert advice on crafting your personal statement, applying through UCAS, and much more. Let's make your university journey in the UK a success. See you next episode.